and today we'll be finishing the revamping of BayBayz looks. If you hear some padding sounds, because I'm burping my baby right now, but we went in and we decided the lip gloss one, I wanted to change it and use my own lip gloss instead. So this is me trying to make it a sticker or whatever out of the one of the lip glosses that I picked. I really like the yellow, and I like this color. This is like my favorite lip gloss. So this is the one that I went with. But I was just like trying to clean up the edges and everything, the edges and everything, trying to just make it like a sticker, so I could use that instead of the other lip gloss that I used for the Really, that's all for like highlights on the pictures and stuff. That's basically all my highlights and everything on my Instagram, which the link to our social medias will be in the description below. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So once I got it exactly how I wanted it, I just saved it and everything. And I noticed that something was wrong. Like they had outlines still from the picture, the whole thing. So I went back and they erased all that extra. But I saved it and then I finished up the lip scrub one. Because I noticed that I didn't put the picture on that I had edited, whatever. So I went back and I did that. And then I saved and I put my lip on. I had to actually redo it. And then I also noticed, like, don't mind the pictures, y'all. But I also noticed as I was redoing some of this stuff, I didn't do my background layer like I normally like to do. I do a black text and I give it an outline. I make it thicker. That's what I'm doing now for this. And then I go back and do a color text and put it on top. Try to make like almost a shadow of it or something with the background layer. And for a lot of those, I did not do that. And I noticed too late and I did not feel like going back and redoing every single thing. But I try to find the same lips because I really liked those lips. It reminded me of like, it fits. It just look animated but still cute. It just fit. So I used those lips and then I used my little sticker thing that I made with my lip gloss. And I'm like, yeah, that looks cute to me. I like that. Then I just started working on the lashes, and I'm just gonna go through everything else. Lashes, I have bundles, I have this, that. It's a lot. I noticed, like, as I'm recording, I'm like, damn, this actually is a lot, going step by step that I had to do. I was just looking at all the different stickers that they have for lashes and everything, trying to see what I want and what I don't want, just trying random stuff up. Well, I knew it because I knew exactly what lashes I wanted, but I'm like, I want to see if I could find something different. As far as the bonding stuff and all that, I didn't notice that they had like that much black girl stuff on there. Basically, like I was just thinking about if I was to redo my logo, what I would want to use and all that. But part 3 is on the way. Be sure to like this video.